Hi. Okay, this video is gonna be fun. Right, Mama?
I'm scared.
Yeah, she's scared. So, basically, had this lovely idea of my mother, hi, is gonna be trying my favorite snacks.
Oh boy.
I'm a very hyper person because of the snacks I eat. And other reasons. So, that's the bag. Okay, so we're gonna start off small. And when I mean small, I mean really small. These are hard candies. And they taste like marshmallows. I love marshmallows. Here you go. Nom nom nom.
It's a bunny.
It's a peep.
Oh yeah. It tastes like marshmallow.
It does?
Definitely.
Yeah. But wait, there's more. Let's go with something else that's small. Start off slow. Okay, this is a high chew. You know what those are, right?
Yes, I've heard of them.
Okay. It is kiwi flavor and it has chai seeds on the outside. It's a chewy candy. Can you open it?
I don't know. I have bad luck at opening stuff apparently.
Oh, and here comes...
Claws in the knee.
Hello.
Oh.
Ew.
How trash. Oh. Oh.
Would you like something to wash it down with?
Oh, oh my lord. Oh, I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't like it.
Let's go 1 to 10. How bad?
A 10.
10? Okay, well, here's something that's a little bit more common, and I drink way too many of these. It's Mountain Dew Frostbite.
It's the shark.
It's the shark.
She
I
loves
don't-
the shark.
I love my shark. She's never had it. Yay! Down the hatch.
I still taste kiwi.
Just eat. Just eat. Just
eat?
Just eat. Just drink. Shark. Cheating.
Well, except for Mountain Dew.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't want to keep that hold of that one? Just okay. Okay. Do you want American or Japanese?
I don't care.
You don't care? Okay. Well, let's get. Oh wait, hold up. It's another high chew.
Oh sweet.
It's dragon fruit. Oh. These are all my go-to snacks.
You just had open it, yeah. The last one was awful. The terrible thing is, I do like kiwis, but I do not like the candy.
I'm enjoying this too much. Me and my tail. How was that one?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No.
Do you want this back?
Not really, because I don't drink soda really.
Oh, well. There's 2 other drinks in here. If you'd rather have something that will take over everything. Actually, no, I'm going to save that for last.
Ugh.
A lot of the stuff I eat is ridiculously sweet.
And I'm not much of a sweet person.
Okay, so speaking of sweets, these are Choco Rooms. Sweet and crispy mushroom bites. They do not taste like mushroom. Thank God. They are milk and dark chocolate combination covering a wafer. Kind of like those one sticks I like. The Pocky. stuff.
Yeah, and I'm not a dark chocolate person.
Here you go.
Ugh.
Hands were washed beforehand.
At least that's better than the other two things.
Okay. Well, since we're on the chocolate train, Pocky. Pocky. There's no way I was going to give you a whole box.
Oh, thank God.
No, just little individual ones.
I hope she knows she can get these back.
Oh, you like those ones? Okay. You can have them. I have a whole drawer full. Ratting myself out. Pocky. Part 2.
Yeah, pink ones.
I eat these way too much for lunch. Well, these, some seaweed, and a monster.
Yeah, lovely lunch.
Oh, and vegetables, but eat the Pocky.
Pink ones are better.
You want these? Yes? No? I can buy more.
No.
Oh, you gonna give me the chocolate ones back?
Yeah, I'll give you the chocolate ones
Okay,
back.
let me just put it over here. Okay, so I'm going easy on her. This one. The worst ones are going to be towards the end. I love you. Pandas. Pandas. These are so cute. They're called Hello Pandas, and they come in like caramel, chocolate, strawberry. I love the strawberry one. My little brother likes the caramel ones.
Oh yeah, the caramel ones are his favorite.
So, here you go. I like a lot of pink food.
That's probably why she has pink hair.
That's what a little kid asked one day. They're like, is your hair pink because of the stuff you eat?
Oh, they are cute. They do have they're shaping a little panda
Yeah,
head. They got a panda on
they
them.
got Panda Sports on it. What is it? Oh, it's a tennis panda? That's what my hair's getting away.
Different.
Different?
I can't say if I like it or don't like it, but they are cute, and they are in different shapes.
And they are very filled.
Mhm.
They
I don't
can't
know
see
if you
that.
can see
They
it or
can't
not.
see that.
But all right.
All right. So,
Her addiction.
one of my many food addictions. Gummy bears. How many gummy bears would you say I eat per year?
Too many.
You know what I mean?
Considering I usually buy her a giant gummy bear, usually around Christmas time, and that thing is like gone in no time. Hmm.
Let me get the scissors.
My foot.
You'll live. Oh, I forgot something.
Oh no. Oh. Now she's throwing candy at me. Not any candy.
Don't show it. Don't show it.
No, she doesn't want me to show it.
Not
It's in
yet.
my hand.
Put it in the bag.
Put it in the bag.
Put it in the bag.
See how she is?
Look at these. If you can get it out.
Oh.
Who's she have? I forgot about that. Here you go.
Please make a part two.
Eat the damn food.
The gummies. Watch the language. Oh, I don't like green gummies.
Sorry.
Red gummy.
Let me grab the raspberry.
And it's a gummy.
Let my Pokemon Home.
Yeah, I don't eat gummies.
Okay, well, we're at the point where things are going to get a little bit odd. Okay, so I just threw these at her. They're sour Skittles. This is going to be fun. You're getting whatever color comes out. Pick one.
I like sour Skittles, so we're good.
What? You can't have candy. My cat is being a butt. Okay, do you want a drink?
No?
Do you want to try a different drink? There's two more.
Whatever you want to give me.
Okay. Well, you're going to probably need... you know what, not that. Yeah. Vermoon. Vermoon?
A lot of people call it Vermoon, but
Vermoon.
depends on where you're from.
Depends if your accent kicks in.
These things I can never open.
Oh.
Yeah, this is original flavor.
I don't like the strawberry one, really. Despite it being pink.
She can keep that one.
I plan to. Okay, so here's where it gets weird.
Sitting on the edge.
It's not sitting on the edge.
Cotton candy peeps.
Are you ready for this?
I have no choice.
I'm not handcuffing her, I swear. I swear, she's a free woman. Freedom standards, not relationship standards. Oh, okay, well, there's no sealing these back up.
You'll need a bag or something.
Please. Ooh, she's a,
They're kind of like got deformed or something. Poor peep.
it's like a Ziploc.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I had a little bit of sugar beforehand.
I don't taste no cotton candy. Very, 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 very light now.
Yeah. I know you're gonna like these.
She might be in trouble with these ones because they're
They
actually one
are-
of my favorites.
Good to know. These are green tea filled biscuit snacks. I forgot how to read for a second.
Got the baby.
Cute baby. Don't, you'll hit the baby.
What about the baby?
Don't hit my fingers either. These are easily farther down the line, only because they're kind of on the bland side. But they are great with tea.
They're green tea.
Well,
And
yeah.
green tea's good. This one got me into green tea.
There's been times where I've had to, like, literally protect my matcha from her. Here you go.
More snackos.
Okay.
Oh no.
You know how I like spicy chips, but I don't like extreme heat? These are munchies. I love my munchies. These are snack mix. I normally have these for breakfast.
Not a good breakfast.
I work at that time. So yeah, vending machine snacks. So these are flaming hot. It's Doritos, Cheetos, Sun Chips, and the rolled gold. And pretzels.
Pretzels should not be spicy.
They're not. Ooh. Sniff, sniff.
Boy. What was that? A hot pretzel.
Oh, that's not fair.
Okay, a Sun Chip.
You don't have to try every single one.
Only 4 things in here. Oh, that one has more heat to it.
It's a Cheeto. Honey, it's a Cheeto.
And the Dorito. Okay.
What do you want to drink? Ooh. We got options. You want to drink? Because I know this one drink in here that we haven't done yet is going to be, it's going to be a trip for you. So,
No. I don't want no soda.
okay. We should have brought a drink for you. Oh, I have my go-to monsters, if you want one of those.
No Monster.
Okay. Okay, so we have organic seaweed snacks. These, they're literally just like little things of seaweed. It's just opening. That's what they look like.
Yeah, her bean butterfingers.
I got it. I can't help but eat some of these. I'm sorry.
You can see through it.
Transparency.
They're okay.
Just gotta understand how okay. I'm like,
I'll give them a 7.
7.
Yeah. I like the ones I buy better.
Yeah, the only reason I put those in here is because I know she hasn't had those ones. I love you. I love you. I love you.
Shrimp chips.
These are Calbee shrimp chips. They're baked. They're wheat puff snacks. And these are the original ones. I don't mess with like flavors really when it comes to that type of stuff.
Please tell me this is the last one.
There's one more thing in here after this. And trust me, you're gonna need it. Have fun. It is very.
That's scary when she says have fun.
It smells very fishy in her mouth. No, do not wake her up.
I think the spice has taken over my tongue because I really can't taste nothing. Oh, there.
Take a drink of this and then tell me.
Cleanse the palate.
You have to eat a lot of these to take and have the shrimp taste.
Yeah, because I'm not. By just going through a few of them, it's okay.
But eating the whole bag, I've done that, regrettably. They're just sniffling around. Okay, last thing, because I'm not going to torture you with that. Although it's very, very tempting. Which one?
The drink. Because those, I know what they taste like.
Yeah. This is just a giant pixie stick. Everyone knows what a pixie stick tastes like. So. And if you don't, what doing? Okay, this is oolong tea. There's no sugar in it whatsoever. Just tea.
Alright.
Brewed from tea leaves only. That's it. Just the ingredients are literally water and oolong tea.
Well, simple the ingredients, the better. At least it doesn't have stuff written in there you can't read.
Here you go.
Over her face. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like just tea.
Take a few sips.
It tastes tea.
Yeah?
Yeah, I could drink this.
Really? I thought you would find it nasty. I was so concerned. Now I'm disappointed. I'm not getting that back, am I?
No.
All right, so that's it. So I'm not forcing you to eat a giant pixie star. It's over with. My light just turned on.
It's changing colors.
Why are you doing that, sweetie? Stop it. Okay, so we're done.
All right. Well,
Can you handle eating like your daughter for a week?
no,
No?
not too much sugar. And
Let's put something on the table super quickly. I am incredibly fit. I work out a lot. So I'm just putting that out there. I'm not fat because of the stuff I eat. Okay?
no, she has a high metabolism.
That too.
All right then. Until next time.
Bye bye.
See ya.